Hey, this is Freefall and I'll be doing my first tutorial on the TeamSpeak 3 client. This won't be a server tutorial, for that you'll have to look at previous video tutorials. As you can see, here is the TeamSpeak 3 client. I am currently, as you can see, I'm currently running beta 9. Uh, Make sure you have the latest beta. It helps fixing glitches in that, and there are some major improvements that prevent client crashing. First thing I'm going to do is connect to a server. I'm going to connect via bookmarks. You can also go to connect and connect. You'll need to know the IP, but I already have it stored here. To create a bookmark, you go to add bookmark, and just click add bookmark. I've changed the icon file of this. Um, yeah, so you can do that. I'll discuss that. If you click more, as you can see, here's the icon. I can try changing that here. Let's try changing this. Let's go to my documents, Phoenix. Apply. Okay. So now if I go under here, Gamer says its own icon. It's that simple. Okay, next thing I'm gonna do is I'm right now logged in as server admin, seeing as this is my server. Up here is your basic thing. If you do not like anything, you can right click. It's pretty much, as you can see, flexible. This shows, this will expand all channels. Here, I'll give you a demonstration of that. Should, actually, when you click this, it should, glance into all channels, but seeing as I'm the only person here, it doesn't really work. But if there were multiple people here, it would be more effective. Another thing, up here is contacts. As you can see, I got a lot of friends and several enemies. Neutral, enemy, friend. So as you can see, you can go in here and create a custom nickname by right-clicking nickname. And then you can change that there. It's that simple. This is kind of nice because if you like, you can apply that, and then if you go to only custom nickname, I don't like you will always appear. So if you use like spammer or something like that, you can just give everyone that title, and then they'll always log in as spammer, and you can know to kick them if you don't choose to ban. Okay, now we have permissions. Mostly when you log in, if you're not server admin, you'll just have use token. This is how you get server admin. So that it's covered in a server tutorial. I won't cover it here. Tools. Here's the basic tools. Some of this is admins as well. Basic thing here though is file transfer, collect URLs. Here's every URL that I posted in the TeamSpeak 3. So it's pretty nice. Another thing is, again, contacts. This is pretty much, you can record as well. You do have a server log. Sometimes this might be accessible. Most of the time it probably won't. Down here, it indicates who you're connected as. You do have smiley functionality down here. You have your text box. Every time you switch channel, it switches the text chat. So you can just type in. You can also input a smiley. So yeah, more functionality than TeamSpeak 2 definitely. This is like I'm going over the basics. When you start up the program, you get the setup wizard. As you can see, if you go through it, set up push to talk, all this. I'm whizzing through this because it's pretty self-explanatory. It's a great setup wizard. Plugins right now, I don't use any plugins, but you can. It's simple. Here's the G15 keyboard. This one I know works. On another computer, I've tested it. So it's great. You do have volume control. Reload. Yeah. So these work pretty well. You can adjust the settings on them. You can enable them. So yeah, it's pretty self-explanatory. Another thing you have is identities, unique keys. I have two identities. Each is different. It's like different users. So if you have admin for one identity, you got to make sure you always use that. That's my default. I also have admin for another TeamSpeak 3 server. You can click improve and it increases the unique IDs hashes security. Right now mine's at 18. This one's at 10, so this one is way more secure than this one. Both of them are nicknamed Freefall. So yeah, here's the basic help thing. I'm not going to go over options in this tutorial because there are a lot of them, and I'm going to make another tutorial specifically for options. Okay, so basically you have your About TeamSpeak, which you saw me display. This tells you what version you're on running for the beta. Also gives you a link to the forums. Any questions, post problems there. You have your channel log. This is, again, self-explanatory. TeamSpeak support forum and TeamSpeak webpage. That's pretty much it for this tutorial, except here is you can mute your speakers and headphones. This is microphone. If you join another server, this will allow you to switch. Here, hold on, let me pause to start up another server. Okay, I have my other server started. Sorry about that. I have, as you can see, here's my second TeamSpeak server. Here's my original one. As you can see, my headset's muted. To change that, you just click here, and now this one's muted, and this one, I'm broadcasting. Another thing you can do is set globally away on both servers. I can online on this server. I'm probably still away on the server, and then you go to online on online, and then you can do it online on all servers. Set a global away status. You can just post what you want, like I'm not here. Okay. So when you click here, I'm not here. On this one, I'm not here, and my microphone is disabled. So yeah, this is a basic TeamSpeak 3 client overview. Yeah, bye Freefall. See my other videos for server creation tutorials.